This is the channel to pick the right product for your needs. Watch this channel's video before you decide. Right Pick presents top 5 best espresso machines. Let's get started with the list, starting of our list at number 5, Mr. Coffee ECM P1102 Café Barista Premium Espresso System. Why you like this espresso machine? Let's see. One-touch control panel for single or double shot options of espresso, cappuccino or latte. Automatic milk frother is absolutely effortless for frothing up milk and creamy cappuccinos and lattes. Removable milk reservoir fills, cleans and stores easily. Adjustable cup tray can be set at just the right height for dainty demitasse cups to big travel mugs. Removable water reservoir fills easily at the sink and hold enough water to brew shot after shot. To know more info and the best price, you can check the description below this video. At number 4, Nespresso C40 ST Inissia Espresso Maker. Let's take a look some of its features and benefits. Energy efficient. A class energy rating. Automatic power off after 9 minutes of inactivity. Easy insertion and ejection of capsules. For use with Nespresso coffee capsules only. Compact brewing unit technology. Fast preheating time 25 seconds. 19-bar high pressure pump. Removable 24-ounce water tank. Folding cup tray accommodates tall recipe glasses. Used capsule container holds 9-11 used capsules. 2 programmable buttons for espresso and lungo preparation. Coming in at number 3, Litchi Portable Espresso Machine 8-bar pressure 80 ml handheld coffee maker for camping hiking. Some cool features can help you to buy it or not. Let's take a look. Portable, compact and simple espresso maker capable of making quality espresso with good crema in just a few pumps, no batteries needed. 8-bar pressure, brewing with hot water. Perfect for people on the go. Easy cleaning by hand wash. BPA-free material. It's an excellent espresso machine. You can choose it for your needs. At number 2, Nespresso C122 RCH Citizen Milk Espresso Machine. This coffee maker is really a different one because of its nice features. Easy insertion and ejection of capsules. For use with Nespresso original line capsules only. Not compatible with Nespresso Virtuo lined capsules. Integrated with an easy-to-clean Arrocino milk frothier for simultaneous preparation of coffee and hot or cold milk froth. Removable 34 ounces water tank. Auto off after 9 minutes of inactivity. Hermetically sealed and recyclable aluminum capsules lock in freshness and provide exceptional taste. 19-bar high-pressure pump for a barista-style result, perfectly extracting the flavor and aromas of each coffee capsule and creating a dense creme. Fast 25-second heat up. 2 programmable buttons for espresso and lingo sizes. Foldable drip tray for different cup sizes. Removable used capsule container holds up to 11 used capsules. To know more about this espresso machine, you can check the description below this video. And lastly, our top choice is Nespresso Inissia Espresso Maker. Its top-notch features you should consider. Let's see. Easy insertion and ejection of capsules. For use with Nespresso coffee capsules only. Compact brewing unit technology. Fast preheating time 25 seconds. 19-bar high pressure pump. 2 programmable buttons for espresso and lungo preparation. Removable 24-ounce water tank. Folding cup tray accommodates tall recipe glasses. Used capsule container holds 9-11 used capsules. Energy efficient. A class energy rating. Automatic power off after 9 minutes of inactivity. To see all of our choices, go to the links below in the description and search for more information and the price.